It's Friday in the big city of Lagos. Welcome on board to your favorite TV show, Entertainment Lagos, on the City of Lagos TV show. With moi, your beautiful host, Joy Olaide. I'm sure you're feeling my new look. That's what it is. All right, let's start first with juicy entertainment gist. I'll be right back. First on Entertainment Gists, Nigerian singer Fireboy DML's new single, Perry Remix, featuring Ed Sheeran, has cracked the top 40 on US pop radio. This comes after the record cracked the US Billboard Hot 100 and got a new remix featuring American artists B-Sis and 21 Savage. Nigerian rap legend Reminisce has announced a new single featuring Nigerian MVP of 2021 Buju and Grammy-nominated American rapper D-Smoke. The song is titled Hustle. Nollywood star Nse Ikpe-Etim stars alongside Akon in her first Hollywood film debut. The movie is titled The American King and is slated for a limited theatrical release in USA. Finally, on Entertainment Gist, Nigerian superstar Funke Akindele's comedy film Omo Ghetto the Saga has become the leading and most watched film on Netflix Nigeria. Welcome back. Okay, it's time to inspire you with our Gospel Artist of the Week, Jay Blake. Get blessed.
Hello, Lagosians. My name is Jerry Blake, your Gospel Artist of the Week on Entertainment Lagos and the City of Lagos TV show. Guess what? It's Hallelujah time with me. Don't touch that dial. Hello, Lagosians. My name is Jerry Adebayo Blake, and I'm from Ibadan, central of Oyo State. I've been in music for 23 years now. For secondary school, I joined an a cappella group where they call the Pillars. And my kind of music, I do slow rock. I get two mentors, Dulce Oyekon, and also for outside Nigeria now, Travis Green. There's somebody there where they watch me now will be wondering that why we say that gospel music I choose. I was born in a Muslim home. My mom was a Muslim, my father was a Muslim, but when they give their life to Christ, my mother most especially, begin to carry us go church, and so we give our life to Christ. And in the process, I discovered my talents, and that's why I decide to say, okay, music, I'm going to do gospel music. I get only one album to my credits, and I get about 10 tracks on that album. If you check out on digital platforms, you go see them for there. I get Depend on You, now one of my hit songs, you go love them. Okay, Lagosians, let me treat you to one of my hit songs titled Always and Forever. Listen to it and be blessed.
I wanna worship you. I wanna worship you. I wanna worship you every day of my life. I wanna worship.
I sure say I like that song. So if you want to download that song, just go to Boomplay, iTunes or Spotify. Just type Jerry Blake for there. You go fit download that song and most of all my songs. And my social media handle for those of you that want to check me online. For Facebook, just type Jerry Blake. Then for Instagram, official Jerry Blake. For Twitter, just type Jerry Blake for there. You go see me for there. For live ministrations and you want to invite me for any of your programs all around, the number where you go just call now 070-6202-4685. Lagosians, it's been fun with you guys. I must tell you the truth. Before I go, this is my passing shot for you. The world is ruled by principles, not prayers. So whatever you want to be in the next 5 years, start now. Well, it's time to go. I'm sure you had a wonderful time. Sure, you were richly blessed. Please, as I leave, this is a parting song for you all titled Depend on You. Enjoy it and stay blessed.
And I will always depend on you. And I will always depend on you. You're my life, you're my hope, you're my everything. You're my life, you're my hope, you're my everything, and I will always.
Exciting, so refreshing, and spirit-filled. That has been the show today. I'm sure you had a nice time with me. All right, catch me same time, same station next week. Until then, be good and have a beautiful weekend. Mwah.
Go Lagos!